So you are interested in Bella 14460? No doubt it is a wise choice and it is one of the top 5 hand blenders on the market now. You will find the latest price in the description down below. And if you'd like to know the other 4 products of the top 5 hand blenders, please don't hesitate to click on the link that appears in the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, now let's talk about the Bella 14460. The Bella 14460 is a really capable hand blender for those on a budget. With its powerful 250 watts and versatile blending and mixing attachments, this blender is the true do-it-all kitchen preparation tool. Replace those larger and clunkier blenders and mixers with this sleek little hand blender. Small enough to store in a drawer while packing enough punch to tackle any prep job you throw at it. Make soups, smoothies, meringues, mayo, chutney, salsa and batters for baking. That would be all for this video and thanks for watching. We hope you liked it, and if you're interested in our channel, please consider to subscribe and give us a like. We also do videos like this for a wide variety of products, all aimed at helping you to make better buying decisions.